Hello, welcome and thank you so much for joining me today in Bloom's Kitchen. We are going to be doing a garden to table menu or recipe. I'm going to be showing you how to make your EFO or vegetable sauce with fish, and we're going to be having that with some rice and some sauteed vegetable and shrimp on the side. We're going to start first by going to the garden to go harvest some vegetables and some carrots, and then we'll get back and go through the ingredients very quickly. If today is your first time joining me, don't forget to click on the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll be right back and we'll get it started. Thank you. We're going to start first by harvesting the carrots. So you just, pretty simple, pull it, shake, and like we had the, oh, this one is so tiny. We had the, what is it called? The heat wave. So that had affected, you see, or maybe it's still not ready, although they are the mini ones. I'm gonna just pull them because it's getting cold now. What I got from the carrot, so not much compared to the previous years, but because of the heat wave and stuff like that, it was really tough. At a point I thought they all died off, and then they started growing again. So we're gonna go over now to harvest the EFO TETE. So I'm just showing you how much carrots. So I'm gonna wash this and then show it to you when we get to the kitchen. So I'm just showing you the Swiss chard. It's still doing really well. It's raining now and they love it. So you can see the Swiss chard is doing great, and then the kale over here. So I'm harvesting, and I have been harvesting a lot from it, but for today I'm going to be harvesting the greens. So as you can see, they've grown really big, and I'll just cut them by the stem. I'm using a scissors. So just going to harvest them like so, and I'll go over there to also harvest them. So this is what we've got for the EFO TETE or the greens. These are predominantly grown in Nigeria. And if you haven't seen the video of when I planted this, be sure to go check it out. Really, really easy to grow. And as you can see, the harvest is beautiful. Over now to the kitchen to see what I'm going to prepare with this. Thank you. Welcome back. So we are going to be starting. This is the vegetable we just harvested. That is the greens, or some call it EFO TETE. So I'll just put that on the side, and I'm going to be using parboiled rice, some fresh ginger, garlic cloves, chicken stock powder, locust beans, cumin, Thai chili pepper, butter, salt to taste, some rice vinegar, sesame oil, Worcestershire sauce, and then I have here 3 habanero pepper and blended crayfish. Blended crayfish is optional. You can omit that if you don't have or you don't like it. And I have some toasted roasted sesame seed here for garnish. And then to fry my sauce today, I'm going to be using bleached palm oil, and I like to mix my oil with canola, so I'm going to be doing a half and half. I have here some shrimp, zucchini, some spring onions, and this is the carrot I harvested earlier on. I have gone ahead to wash and rinse it, and then I'm going to be using Atlantic whitening for this sauce today. And here I have some red bell pepper and some mini sweet peppers. So you can see I'm combining 4 different kinds of peppers, so whatever you want to use is totally fine. I'm going to be using some dry fish. This one is a flat one, and I already have some catfish here and I'm going to be cleaning that a little bit later. I just have it sitting in hot water. And then I'm going to be using some mushrooms, and then I have 4 red onions here. So we're going to start first by, I'll just season the fish lightly with the cumin and a little bit of salt. And then we'll go ahead and fry the fish while I quickly prep the vegetables. So it's just going to be to cook along as we go. So I'm just tossing my fish here in a little bit of salt and some cumin. So keep watching. We'll go ahead now and then we'll go fry the fish first. Thank you. see our vegetable sauce with fish and rice, with sauteed shrimp, carrots, zucchini, and mushrooms on the side is ready. Everywhere smells amazing now. I'll be ready to eat in no time. Give this recipe a try. If you do not have the greens I used, you can use any other green vegetable you have. You can use kale, Swiss chard. If you're using kale or Swiss chard, then you do not need to blanch it. But if you are using other stronger ones like even gailan or whatever you have locally, then you can blanch it if the vegetable is really tough. But just make sure you sit it back in cold water to stop the cooking process so you don't kill all the nutrients in your vegetables. So give this a try. Let me know. Don't forget to check out other videos on my channel. I have some gardening videos that will get you gardening and enjoying from your garden to your table in no time at all. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Until next time when I bring you another exciting recipe, have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.